What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, my bad guys. Getting started pretty late here today. About, the hell's calling me? My bad. Yeah, getting started, about 7 minutes late here today. My fault. I was making a play. I should have typed it in Discord, but I was, like, rushing to get ready on the show, and then a play popped up. A play popped up, like, randomly. Towards the end of the day here. So by the way, guys, I just went short FENC. It's some type of biotech company. What's it called? Yeah, FENC. I actually don't know what it's called. Let me see. Yeah, Fennec Pharmaceuticals. Fennec Pharmaceuticals that halted, like 3 minutes before closing. So I had to jump in there real quick, and so my apologies, guys. So I couldn't set the show in time because I needed to get my shares. So I'm in for 762 average and looking to cover already up $100. Looking to cover around 680. Let's see if it hits. And also SORB. Someone mentioned it on Discord. I think Eddie mentioned it. SORB sober. Apparently they make DUI devices, and that's mooning right now. Mooning pretty hard in the aftermarket. It was mooning midday and during the aftermarket. So yeah, we will take a look at that. I'm certainly interested in shorting that, but I don't know if I should. That's going crazy right now. But yeah, guys. So my bad for getting started late here today. But we're all good now. Appreciate everyone for joining me. What's up, Eddie, 1010, and Wen? What's up, everyone? See if my memes are working today. Are they? Fingers crossed. Oh, it is. Nice.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Yeah, thank you everyone for being here. Appreciate everyone. Again, my apologies. Eddie, you got filled on beat, right? At 195, so nice little gain there. But yeah, dude, CNET is finally pulling back. And it's funny because it's funny and not funny because, that sucks for you. But, of course, it would pull back right after you covered and won. It's like they knew. So, yeah, sorry about that, dude. It didn't come down that much, though. It finishes at like 97 cents. But, yeah, probably should have diamond balled it a little further. And BEAT, B-E-A-T, that's down. I'm up $100 there. That's down from 195 where I and you entered. I think you entered, right? But yeah, we'll get to that in a second. And NRBO, I escaped there. I escaped at 15 bucks, went up to 25, and I'm trying to go in for double dips now. Yeah, we'll check it out, the aftermarket here in a sec. Alright, guys. Bro, seen it? That's some BS. Like I failed beat one. Yeah, alright, my bad. I didn't read that. Yeah, so it is some BS. But like I said, it didn't come down too much. So you didn't lose too much money there, but I feel you, dude. I didn't hear no bell. Yeah, it ain't over yet, but it ain't good. So Fed meeting tomorrow. We're a minute on today. We'll get to that in a second. Never have to apologize for making money. Yeah, I'm just like kind of a perfectionist like that and feel bad for holding you guys up. But I appreciate it. So yeah. Let's do it. What up, Ken? What's up? RIP IPOF warrant holders. Shabbat SPAC will return money to shareholders. Warrants went from 58 cents to pretty much worthless. Damn. I did see that halt today. There were 2 halts on IPOF. One for warrants and one for something else, I think. And I didn't know that happened, but yeah, that would do it. Yeah, Chamath is kind of shady, to be honest. I don't like that guy. I thought it was for the apes back then, but he just dumps it on the apes. He's another, hedgy. Yeah, IPOF and IPOD. iPod. That's pretty funny. Yeah, Chamath is not a good guy, guys. Alright, cool. So yeah, appreciate everyone today. My apologies for getting started late here. But let's get started. So today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. So today is Tuesday, September 20th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. That is because everything in the red today, all major indexes in the red. I believe crypto's in the red as well. Gotta double check. But yeah, all major indexes in the red here. Pretty deep in the red too. So that's pretty unfortunate, but we'll cover that. Sorry, I'm getting distracted looking at the FENC chart here. We'll look at this together in a second. So yeah, Ramenistan. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. You know, Fed meeting, FOMC, rate hikes. So yeah, hope you guys didn't lose too much money today. But regardless, got a great show for you guys. Honestly, it's gonna be more or less the same from yesterday. Not too much planned, not too many articles, and only one TA, AVCT, gonna be more or less the same from yesterday, pretty much exactly the same. But you know, that was a hot stock today, or not a hot stock, major pullback there in AVCT. And my apologies for I didn't get the video out on AVCT yesterday. You know, got distracted, got tired, and you know, it's pretty big burnout. So, you know, I try, guys, but I'm day trading, you know, doing the show, editing videos, running my company. It's a lot. So sometimes, you know, I miss some. I don't get to pump out the videos like I should. So I'll get that out. That's like half done. I'll get that out tonight, and I'll try to get out the today's video as well. I'm looking at FENC here. Looks like it's about to hit. There it goes. There's my order. Boom, boom. You hear the dings? Ding, ding, ding. And, yeah, I'm out. How much money did I make right there? So, 82. Made like 220. Made 220. Quick 220. Let's go. So, a nice little gift there. Although it is pulling back way more after I covered. That's alright. Covered at 680. It's well, now it's bouncing back. Never mind. We'll look at this in a second. What up, B-Flam? What's up? AVCT is my favorite stock right now. Tell me good news. Well, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but honestly, it's probably gonna go back a little further, down to like 1850, which we'll analyze together. But all right, guys. And beat is going down quite a bit as well. All right, let's get started. Sorry to keep you guys waiting. Let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Oh, my bad. Did I even say? Let's rewind a little bit. All right, I'm all over the place today, guys. So yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Not too much news today. Not too much content. We got 4 articles. One about MicroStrategy. They bought the dip. One about Galaxy Digital and BitGo. Got an update there. We've been covering that story for a while. Their deal fell through, the merger. We got news about Beyond Meat, some random fun news, and then one about YouTube Shorts and revenue. So really only 2 articles today. Finance-related articles. 2 crypto articles. 1 fun Beyond Meat article. Kind of related because, you know, Beyond Meat is a meme stock. And one about YouTube. So relevant to me. But yeah, not too many, not too much content to go over. In terms of articles, we're going to do AVCT again, TA. And Yolos. Yolos should be pretty short. We only have 6 Yolos today and mostly memes. So yeah, not too many Yolos. So yeah, today shouldn't take too long. Or we'll say an hour and a half, 2 hours again. Depending on how many people coming in chat. But I don't have too much content planned for you guys. So yeah, we should go an hour and a half, 2 hours. All right. Luke McGregor. Do you follow me on TikTok? I think I've seen you follow me on TikTok. Maybe not, but I think you follow me on TikTok. Welcome to the show, dude. Appreciate you. And what's up to everyone who just came in.
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
I'd like to get into stocks and was wondering if we could hop on a call to chat sometime. I'm sure we could come to an agreement and compensate you for time and knowledge. Yeah, dude, if you want, well, first of all, you should join our Discord. Link in the description. Link in the description. Discord. So we can chat whenever, and not just during the show. And if you, yeah, and we could just, private message there. See what you want to ask me. But I give a lot of information out for free, and if you want, consider subscribing to my Patreon. Link in the description, or you see it right there in the banner. I have some packages in there. I got, if you want to learn about stocks, if you want to support me, learn about stocks, I got educational content over there. And I do have, no one signed up for this yet, but I do have one tier, the highest tier, where you could talk to me privately one-on-one once a month. But anyway, yeah, just sign up for Discord, link in the description, and message me there. We'll talk more about it. Appreciate you, dude. I did not see your message on TikTok yet, so I'll be checking that after the show. I appreciate you. And what up, Francisco? What's up? All right, guys. So yes, let's get started now. Appreciate everyone for being here. Please smash the like button. And yeah, once again, let's begin. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, cool. It's now 4:20, guys. Make a wish. Oops. Why am I on Google? Didn't mean to be on Google. Actually, I gotta pull up the scanner anyway. So let's start off with FENC and then we'll do a quick scan. All right. All right, yeah, cool, Luke. I'll hit you up, or I'll respond to your message after the show. Appreciate you. All right, so first of all, looking at FENC, so I literally this halted 3:57, 3 minutes before market close. I should have put it in Discord for you guys, so my bad about that. But yeah, they got FDA approval for PEDMARK, PEDMARK. No idea what that is. But yeah, this popped to. Wow, it got to 8. Wow, okay, so I was in for 670, covered at 680, I think, for a 10% profit, but it actually came down even more, all the way down to 640, damn, could have made more, but I made about 10% there, quick 10%, not complaining at all. Yeah, nice little gain there, because not much happened today, which we'll get to right now. Not much else happened today. I didn't make any other plays. Yeah, let's check this one out real quick. SOBR. Sober? This is still going in the aftermarket. This is crazy. Are there shares for this? No, there's not shares for this. Alright, this is going nuts right now. So we'll keep an eye on this. See what happens in the aftermarket. But this is the big runner today, SOBR. Alright, let's start with my plays today. Actually got to update this. Take that out. Beat. Alright guys, so yeah, what did I do today? Not much. So I cut AKRO, $27. Took like a $1,050 loss there. Fortunately, I know when it's time to cut the bag. They just kept on going up after the offering was done, and definitely something shady going on there. So I don't want no part of that. Don't want to get wrecked by the hedge funds. So cut that. But I also cut NRBO in for 28, out for 15. Made about I think $1,120 there. So big gain there, but that cancels out the loss from AKRO. So in total, that was $70 in realized gains. So CNET, still holding that. Didn't really move much. Still not really moving much, but that did go down a few cents today. So made $30 there. I'm probably gonna cut this week if it keeps holding up like this. I did not think it would hold up this well. And then BEAT. So this ran yesterday or the day before, can't remember. But I'm in at 195 and it's currently at 184, so up $100 there. So that's cool. And then like I just showed you guys, FENC. Played that real quick at the end of the day. $220 profit there. So in total, what is that? 140. So in total I made 360 in unrealized gains and 70 in realized gains. So I made $430 in total today, as it stands. Cool. And wow, actually we look at FENC, and it's going back up. Interesting. So yeah, I think I covered at the right time there. All right, let's do a quick scan. See if anything's going on in the aftermarket here. All right, what's going on aftermarket? All right, we got something here, DGLY. Not seeing any news, not sure why this is popping. Interesting. So I'm not going to go for it, but this is popping. DGLY right now. Not really seeing anything else. AI, oops. AIMD. No. Alright, I'm not seeing anything else. Let's do a scan here. Yeah, SOBR is coming back down to earth now. Alright, let's see. Yeah, just a SOBR. Nothing really going on. Okay. Cool. So let's get started with the watch list here. We'll come back to this. We'll do some more scans as the show goes on. Wow, it's back to 7 now. So I did pick a good time to cover there. Alright. Interesting. Why is it like that? Whatever. Alright, gonna take a quick drink and we'll get started here on the watch list. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're at 6 viewers, 6 likes. Thank you guys, whoever's here. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright. Alright, cool. Let's do it. So the Dow Jones down 1.01%, NASDAQ down 0.85%, and the S&P down 1.15%. Good. Yeah, not good at all. Not the worst thing in the world, but yeah, pretty deep in the red here. So pretty bearish day here. VIX is up 5.43%, up 1.4 points. So we're at 27.16 VIX now. Not good at all. I mean, that's not the worst thing in the world either, 27 VIX, but pretty bad, you know. Quite a ways away from 20, where we need to be. So that sucks, but yeah, nobody really knows what to expect tomorrow. I mean, I think the market is pricing in a 0.75 hike, but we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get to the watch list. All right, so I'll start on the green side because not much in the green here. So we got MGAM which is a lot of apes like that one right now. It's one of those Chinese recent IPOs. So pretty decent day there, 26%. And then, yeah, when the VIX is one of the biggest gainers, that's a problem. So VIX, pretty high up here. Yeah, not much else in the green. Lyft, GCT, Wish. Wow, Wish is actually up 3.4%. AMTD, that's HKD's parent company. XPeng, BBIG, Apple, Moderna, Lockheed Martin. That's about it. MGM, Li Auto, Dollar General, Pepsi, BP. So really not much in the green here. This is a bit deceiving. Because everything is about 1% in the red, but pretty much every single stock is in the red today. Growth and value, it seems like. But let's check out the red side now. Not going to spend too much time on this, because pretty much everything is in the red. But let's see. See, HKD. Surprised that I pulled back to 70. I did predict that it would pull back to 70. So that's pretty bad. But I'm surprised it didn't get more mentions on a StockTwits. Didn't make top 10. I don't think it did. Let me double check. Oh, it did. Well, it made number 10. So, yeah, not really worth talking about. But yeah, honorable mention, HKD, DWAC getting wrecked, 17%. CEI, wow, CEI, 14%. What happened to Ford? Holy crap, Ford is down 12%. What happened to Ford? Here comes a fire truck. My apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. But what the hell actually happened to Ford? This is crazy. Earnings? Not earnings, but guidance. Yeah, so, bad guidance, it looks like. So, Ford getting wrecked here today, 12%. That's really bad. Yeah, we got PHUN. All these Chinese stocks pulling back. MEGL. Fubo pulling back. Despite what the bots are going to tell you in here. Don't buy Fubo. HYMC. So, a lot of growth in memes up here. I don't see too much value yet. GM also pulling back pretty hard. 5.6%. So, car companies getting wrecked today. Don't know why GM's down. Probably sympathy with Ford. Yeah, a lot of red. Bed Bath & Beyond down to $7. $7.60 now. So I think that was supposed to come down to 6. Yeah, is that AMC 5%, GME 4.9%. Apparently GME's alive again. The apes are buying GME again for some reason, as we'll see in the Yolos later. MMAT 4.8. Yeah, really bad. Nike 4.5. That's really bad. So there is a decent amount of value, pretty deep in the red here. We got PayPal 3.6. SoFi, Robinhood. So yeah, Target 2.9. That's pretty bad. Got Palantir, Coinbase 2.9. Meme Index down 2.2. Alibaba 2%, 2.1%. Yeah, here's all the value. Amazon 2%, AMD 2%, Google, JP Morgan 2%. Yeah, so value is getting wrecked pretty hard as well. There's Intel 1.6, Nvidia 1.5, all the banks, Disney, Starbucks, Meta, everything. McDonald's, Chipotle. So, yeah, this is a bit deceiving. You would think that everything was down like 2%. This is really bad. So, growth and value getting absolutely wrecked today. Pretty disgusting. So, yeah, that really sucks. So, hope you guys held up pretty well today. And if not, hope it wasn't too bad. So, pretty slow day for me. Made a couple $100. But hey, that's a lot better than most people, I guess. So, not complaining. All right, so yeah, there's the stock market today, guys. Pretty much bloodbath, and not good leading into tomorrow, which is rate hike day. IMPP doing good. How's that doing? Is that good? It's it pulled back today. New all-time low. Well, yeah, hang in there, dude. Alright, cool. Let's do another scan and let's get onto crypto. Yeah, 1 cent isn't bad, but that company's only worth like 30 something cents. Alright, not seeing much movement here in the aftermarket. ASTC. Nope, nothing going on. Not that I see of. Alright, we'll come back to this. Cool, let's get on to crypto. So yeah, give me a second. Let me pull up crypto and the news articles for today. Minus 90 bucks. I mean, yeah, so 1 cent, if you think about it that way, it's not so bad at 1 cent, but 90 bucks, that's not, you know, I guess that's a lot better. That's not the worst thing in the world. But I wouldn't call that good. Hang in there, dude. It'll have its day again. Alright, let's get to crypto. So here's crypto. That is down 1.05% today. So yeah, crypto also in the red. But this really isn't too bad for crypto. Slightly bearish day here in crypto. But, you know, it starts to add up. It starts to take a toll when you get constant bearish days, red days. Alright, so let's check it out. Bitcoin down 2.5%, so under 19K now. Pretty bad. Ether down 0.9%. Still under 1,400. Binance down a little bit, 0.4%. XRP, big day there. What happened? 7%. The rest of everyone in XRP. Cardano down 2%. Solana down 3%. Doge up 1.2. I'll take it. Still holding a big Doge bag there. So not too much price action, but a lot of red. Polkadot, Polygon, Sheeb, Tron, Avalanche, all in the red. Leo's up a little bit. Ether Classic in the red. Cosmos down 10%. Pretty bad there. Chainlink down 4.6. Stellar's up 7%. Big day for Stellar. Chronos, Monero, Algorand up. Bitcoin Cash. ApeCoin down 7%. Yeah, let's sort this out. But seems like not too much price action. But most of the coins in the red here. Let's start on the green side. What up, Beelzebub? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Okay. So yeah, green side. We'll just call it 25% of the coins in the green. Yeah, so about 25% of the coins in the green, 75% in the red. Not much price action, though. Nothing in the double digits. Biggest gainer is Helium, 8.6%. Stellar and XRP, 7%. So, not much value here. Biggest gainer is XRP and Stellar, Algorand. And then Leo, Doge. So, yeah, not many coins in the green, not much price action. Not the biggest amount of value either. So that would do it. And on the red side, so kind of the same thing. Not too many coins in the red, most of the coins in the red. But not much price action. Biggest loser is Cosmos, 9.8%. So nothing in the double digits. There's a decent amount of value here. We got Cosmos, ApeCoin, Chainlink, Solana, Sheeb, Near Polygon, FTX. So Yeah, so not the worst day in crypto, but slightly bearish. Most of the coins in the red, and more value in the red. So yeah, that would do it. That would do it. Crypto's down 1% today, but not the worst thing in the world by any means. But it seems like like I said, when you have consistent days of red, then it starts to add up. So one day by itself doesn't seem that bad, but it is, pretty bad because Bitcoin was at 25K and now it's back down under 19K. So, yep, hasn't been too kind for crypto. Market hasn't been too kind for crypto and just the overall markets. But yeah, there you have it, guys. So pretty bad day in stock market, pretty bearish day, and slightly bearish day here in crypto. But all around good. All around good today. All right. Cannot wait for the stock market to completely dip after the meeting. Hey, you never know. You never know. It might be priced in. I think that's what happened a few times already. It was already what everyone expected, like a 0.75% hike. 0.75 basis point hike. Market's like, all right, so nothing new. Priced in, and life goes on. So I actually don't think we're going to completely dip. But we'll see. I don't mind either way. Team Rainbow Bear. Okay, cool. Let's get to the news today. All right, so once again, guys, we have 4 articles today. Nothing too crazy. One about MicroStrategy. One about Galaxy Digital and BitGo. One about Beyond Meat, one of their executives. Crazy story. And one about YouTube revenue. That has to do with me. All right. Let's do it. So MicroStrategy ignores Bitcoin sell-off rumors, splashes $6 million on an additional 301 Bitcoin. Holy crap.
Bruh.
So I thought it was just Michael Saylor that that made MicroStrategy invest so much money into crypto, into Bitcoin. But now he's gone, and they're still aping into Bitcoin. So I guess it's not just him; it's just an ape company. But compared to the other buys, this is only 6 million, and the other times he spent like millions and millions. So this is a relatively small buy for this company. So now they have 4 billion Bitcoin, or excuse me, $4 billion worth of Bitcoin, 130K Bitcoin at around 30K average. So they're still down quite a bit. But yeah, they're averaging down here. So it sold off stock and acquired more Bitcoin. All right. So, yeah. I thought it was, like I said, I thought it was just Michael Saylor, but no, it's just an ape company. They're all apes over there. So, they're probably just going to keep buying the dip, and, it'll pay off down the road, but it's been pretty rough for them lately. But yeah, MicroStrategy, big apes again. Next CPI report is October 13th. Do you think it'll be lower? Most likely, yeah, most likely. It is starting to work. So the one that came out recently was disappointing because everyone thought it would be lower. It was actually slightly up. But yes, I do think it will be lower. Or it should be. If it does go higher, it's going to be very, not high at all. So it is starting to get better now. I do think it will get lower, yes. How much? I don't know. Probably not too much, but it should start to get lower. Okay. Next article. Galaxy Digital pulled out of the $1.2 billion merger because it could not afford it, says BitGo. BitGo claimed it had submitted a comprehensive financial statement as requested, hence the blame game played by Galaxy was a subtle way to cover for its illiquidity to complete the merger transaction. Alright, so we did cover this a few times, I think. So they're in a big lawsuit right now. BitGo is suing Galaxy because they were going to get acquired and they pulled out of the deal. So I guess now they're blaming them that they could not afford 1.2 billion. Kind kind of sounds like they pulled the Elon Musk, because you failed to deliver an audited financial statement, like Elon Musk. You failed to deliver the bot numbers. Just an excuse. So yeah, $100 million fee. Termination fee, which is like Twitter's $1 billion termination fee with Elon Musk. This seems just like the Twitter situation. So, yeah. They're still in a legal battle. They're probably just going to end up settling in the end. But, yeah. Not looking good for Galaxy Digital. Seems like they're in the wrong here. So they're probably going to end up owing some money to BitGo. But yeah, developing story. I'm sure there's going to be updates. So when there is, when there is, I'll be sure to bring it to you guys. Alright, so let's switch it up a little bit. Here's a fun article. Beyond Meat COO Doug Ramsey arrested for allegedly biting man's nose after Arkansas's college football game. What?
Bruh.
Alright, so Beyond Meat is a meme stock. And it's the plant. It's the substitute meat company. Plant-based, if you guys didn't know. So, Beyond Meat's chief operating officer, Doug Ramsey, was arrested this weekend after allegedly biting a man's nose in Arkansas's parking garage after a college football game. Ramsey, 53, was arrested for terroristic threatening and third-degree battery. He has been operating chief of Beyond Meat since December. He previously worked for Tyson Foods. And here he is. Kind of looks like a bad guy. Kind of looks like a criminal if he wasn't in a suit, because he's in his mugshot here. Yeah, you would not think he's an executive. You'd think he's like a career criminal or something. I don't know. Maybe it's just the picture, but he looks pretty pissed. Anyway, so yeah, it's a meme now, and all over Wall Street Bets. So pretty just light news here, funny news. So he punched the windshield after it made contact with it. So yeah, road rage. Fender bender, road rage. Okay. Cool. So he'll be out. But definitely embarrassing. Alright, last article. And this really has to do with me more than anything. YouTube will start sharing ad revenue with short creators as the company tries to catch TikTok. Alright, let's go. About time. And I just started making shorts, so good for me. And for us, all the content creators. Alright, YouTube said on Tuesday that it has a new revenue sharing model for creators of popular short-form videos. The company is trying to compete with TikTok, which continues to gain market share. YouTube's growth rate in the second quarter was the slowest since Alphabet started breaking out the unit's revenue in 2019. All right, so not sure how much money the short creators are gonna get, or if I'm really gonna get anything, because I'm not a popular. Well, we'll see, because I'm not that big into shorts yet. Still a small channel, but let's see if they have any specifics. Yeah, so it's limited information yet. So not sure how it's going to work, but gonna get something at least. Alright, so really no information coming out. But, yeah, short creator is going to start getting paid, so awesome, awesome. I will take it. And I'm on TikTok as well. If you guys haven't yet, follow me on TikTok at Smarter Gambling. I think it's one word. Yeah, Smarter Gambling, one word. Sorry about the sirens, guys. So looking forward to this. I just want to know how much money we're going to get paid. But, a little extra bank. It's not how I make most of my money. Rumble a real competitor? If so, I think so. If TikTok could come out of nowhere and gain market share, no position in Rumble. Competitor to who? YouTube? I mean, it could be, but I don't really see it as a threat right now. Um, you know, they don't have too many creators over there just yet. And they got a long way to go. They got a long way to go. So it could be, but I highly doubt it, dude. You saw it. We see True Social, you know, trying to compete with Twitter. It's not happening. So I don't really think it's going to be competition. And if it is, it's going to take a while to catch up. But, you know, anything is possible. I really don't think so, though. Fundamentally, probably not. Why did Bed Bath & Beyond go up when it reported a terrible loss? Because it's a meme stock and nothing makes sense anymore. Apes will find a way to call it bullish, you know. Apes will spin everything to be bullish. But in general, losses, or, you know, EPS, or my bad, earnings, anything can happen. You can have good earnings, stock goes up. You can have bad earnings, stock goes down. That's logically what would happen, but that doesn't happen in reality. You can have good earnings, stock goes down. You can have bad earnings, stock goes up as well. So earnings is just a lotto ticket. You know, it's it is the lottery pretty much. Anything can happen. The way the stock moves does not. Well, generally it does correlate to. Actually, it does not have to correlate with the earnings. Put it that way. So that's why you know, FD Yolos during earnings are pretty much lottery tickets. If only they can distance themselves from far right. Yeah, YouTube. True Social was vaporware from beginning. Lol. Yeah, well, that's their niche, the far right. Because all the creators that are on there, True Social, Rumble, are creators that are kicked off of YouTube and everywhere else. So it's not the best look, but they do cater to these creators, you know, without saying it, without coming out and saying it publicly. But that's really who they cater to, is more conservative people, you know. Not even conservatives, but just like far right, yeah. They didn't even read the open source licensing when they were basing their platform on. Yeah, I never seen it or used it, but I heard it was a pretty terrible app. I heard it was pretty terrible all around. So, I don't think Rumble's going to be much better. But alright, guys, yeah, that's all the articles for today. Good stuff. So, yeah, all minor stuff. But some fun stuff, some fun articles. Let's get on to the TA today, which is AVCT. It's actually holding up pretty decently. And we'll do one more scan. But nothing's really going on here in the aftermarket. Wow, Blue Apron is down to 492. I should have held Blue Apron. Man. Oh well. Could have made another like $300 there if I held. That sucks. Why did I not hold? What up, Low Roller? What's up? You going to get paid posting short? Yeah, apparently now I am. You see the article here. Not sure how much, but not complaining. Alright, cool. Let's do one more scan before we do the TA today. YouTube should start paying everyone, even if you don't have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours. I think that was the old model. You didn't need, there weren't requirements, but I think there were like bots taking advantage of that, so that's why they stopped it. So it's a tough situation. So we got something here, CINC. Let's check that out. And DGLY, we already checked that out, but yeah, let's check out CINC. Well, yeah, I think YouTube did that before, but they changed it because the bots were, you know, the bots were going crazy, and YouTube and people were making money when they weren't supposed to. CINC, don't see anything happening. Not sure why this is popping. And this as well. DGLY. Alright, cool. Let's do one more scan here, and we'll get on to the TA today. Doing pretty good on time. We started about 10 minutes late, and we're ahead of time, actually. Ahead of schedule, so seems like there's not much chatting. That's alright. Tuesday's not really a popular day for streaming. Alright, we got something here. Amer. Okay, reverse split, 50 to 1 reverse split. You already know, I'm in here. Alright, live rainbow bearing, guys. Sorry. 14.5. Alright. Try to get this at 21. Alright, so don't mind me, guys. I'm just putting in an order real quick. Alright, let's go, yeah, 9,800 shares. Alright, so RMED. RMED. So, yeah, the stupid reverse split stuff. 50 to 1 reverse split, and, it's moaning now. So, I have an order in for 21. Hopefully that hits. Should hit. It should hit. You heard big news announcement Putin about war today? No, I didn't. What'd he say? I didn't see anything about that. I know he's losing, or he doesn't. He's not gonna say that, but yeah, it's not going the way he planned, and he's like, I think he admitted that China doesn't like it either. So it's not going his way for sure. Let's check out some other stocks here. Once you monetize for first time, you don't need to maintain 4,000 hours every year anymore. Really? Well, that's good. That definitely is really good. Not that it matters for me. I'm gonna be doing it anyway, but that's cool. I agree with that. Alright, not seeing other plays. You wish they do that. Oh, so they didn't do that. Okay. Yeah, that'd be nice, but, you know, it incentivizes you to keep making content. Wow, RMED's not going to get there. Pulling back. Alright, I don't know if RMED is going to fill. But I'll keep the order open at 21, and hopefully it does. Okay, cool. I really want that to fill. Keep an eye on this. Come on, go up. Oh no, Putin will never admit he's losing. He won't even admit they started it, lol. Yeah, it's not his fault. He's just liberating, right? It's just liberating the country from the, I don't know if I could say it. Probably not. Alright, so let's get to the TA. This is coming back up to 18. Come on. Big push, push, push. Nope, just stuck at 18. Well, yeah, I'm in at 21, guys. Or I have the order in at 21. Alright, so we'll do AVCT. Shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. Gonna be more or less the same from yesterday. Alright. Yeah, no news. Alright, so this shouldn't take too long, maybe 20-30 minutes. So I'll try not to bore you guys too much. Shouldn't take too long. I think my neighbor's hammering upstairs. Of course. Never fails. Yeah, I think the mic is picking it up. What's this guy doing? Alright, whatever. Alright, let's do it. So here is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. This finishes at 21.3 cents today. That is down 10.08%. Okay. So we covered the stock yesterday. Yesterday this did have a big pump. Not really sure why. No company specific news. Yeah, not really sure why. But it could be a bunch of shorts covering. Either willingly, either voluntarily, or forcibly getting squeezed out. And today, once again, we did have some major price action, but this time it was to the downside. Let's see here. This was a hot stock again. Once again today, this was a hot stock. This was number 4 on StockTwits. Had over 3,400 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. So this initially squeezed a few weeks ago when news came out that the company was looking to sell the company. When the company came out with news that they were looking to get acquired or at least sell off part of their company. It ran all the way from about 15 cents to over 50 cents. So major price action there, over 200%. And then it started pulling back pretty significantly. Which is always the case when it comes to squeezes, pump and dumps, reverse splits, etc. So I was very happy for the apes yesterday, but I did predict that. But if you guys watched the video, I did predict that this was likely going to pull back. And we are getting some major pullback today, and I don't think it's done just yet. But yeah, no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Just seems like some healthy pullback from yesterday's covering and gamma squeeze. So today is going to be more or less the same from yesterday, just with the updated price action. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. Okay. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 13.2 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. Let's see here. It can be It can be 26.1 cents, 41 cents, 45.9 cents, or 52.1 cents. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle, where this has the potential to come all the way back up to $3.15. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be 26.1 cents or 41 cents. But those are all bullish indicators that is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. All right. MACD. Let's the descending triangle first. Here we have a descending triangle. Right now, the upper channel is around 21 cents, and the lower channel is around 18 cents. So it appears like there's a bit more consolidation to go. But they should consolidate somewhere around 19.5 cents. And from there, it should break out to the upside. So the descending triangle is currently a bullish indicator. All right, let's do the MACD. Actually, I don't think I have to change that. Right. Down here on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line has crossed the signal line to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that it may be time to buy. Gap down. And, of course, I hear the siren coming. Never fails. My apologies, guys. Gonna mute for a couple seconds here while this passes. My bad. Alright, my apologies. That was a pretty loud one. Anyone winning today? Yeah, I did pretty good. Made about $400, $460, something like that, I think. Well, it's 130, 200. Yeah, I made like 440 today, so not bad. Not the most, but I'll take it. Switzerland bought $6.25 billion worth of F-35 jets. Apparently, the U.S. used Chinese parts to build F-35 jets, and it's illegal to do. They can do whatever they want. You know, rules for thee, not for me. You know how it goes. Didn't know that, though, so thanks for that. Alright, back to this. My apologies, guys. And here we do have a gap down back at 57 cents. So that's a bullish indicator that is telling us that the stock should eventually come back up to 57 cents to fill that gap. And now for the bearish stuff, we also have a gap up back at 18.5 cents. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 18.5 cents to fill this gap, and that should fill in the short term. Right. The RSI is currently at 50. So extremely average there. According to the RSI, the current price of 21.3 cents is right around fair market value. Okay. Pretty sure I got everything there. Yes, okay. Cool. Maybe we can... Let me see something. Nah, I don't think so. Hear another siren coming. Alright, why not we'll just do this. And here we have an ascending channel forming. Right now the upper channel is at 27.5 cents. Here comes another siren. Never ever fails, you know. Whenever we have importance to talk about, then they always come ruining my show. Is HKD shortable? Do you know? I can check real quick. You can check yourself too, dude. Just tap on it. And on the upper left-hand corner, it should say. Right now it says no. Low inventory. So it is shortable, but you probably can't get the shares. And I don't know if you should be shorting that anyway, dude. That's pretty risky. Alright, my bad. Let's get back to this. You got PDT, not until Friday. What is PDT? Specific date time? Don't know what you mean there. Oh, pattern day trader. Got you, pattern day trader. You don't have 25K? Thought you did. Alright, dude. Good luck there. So, yeah. So right now the upper channel is at 27.5 cents. And the lower channel is around 21 cents. So if this breaks 27.5 to the upside, that'd be bullish. And if this breaks 21 cents to the downside, that'd be bearish. So the ascending channel is currently a neutral indicator, although it may be bearish pretty soon. Maybe I buy 200 worth of HKD when it falls, so when it goes back to 300, I'll make a good amount. Yeah, just be careful, because it may be a while before it does. You know, it may be a couple of months. This stuff trades in cycles. It's like meme stocks. It pops every couple of months. So be careful there, Beelzebub. I count on the 25K. If I didn't hold IMPP, I would have more. Alright, dude. Yeah, be careful with pattern day trading stuff. because you may get stuck with a position that you want to dump. So it's hard to trade short while being a pattern day trader. So if you can, try to deposit money and get that over 25K. Okay. Yeah, so the ascending channel is currently a neutral indicator, although this may go bearish very soon. Okay. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right, we'll just go up to 50. So right now this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 22 cents and 20.7 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 22 cents, 23.5 cents, 24.5 cents, 26.1 cents, 27.4 cents, 28.7 cents, 30.7 cents, 32.3 cents, 34.1 cents, 35.9 cents, 37.7 cents, 40 cents, 41 cents, 42.8 cents, 44.4 cents, 45.9 cents, 47.5 cents, and then 50.3 cents. There is resistance above 50.3 cents, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 20.7 cents, 19 cents, 17.6 cents, 16.1 cents, 14.8 cents, and then the low of 13.2 cents. So right now at the current price, 21.3 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a regular amount of price action, either way this goes. And this did 43 million in volume today, which is way above the average of 12 million. So very significant volume. Very significant volume. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. And it does appear like the pump/squeeze is winding down and coming to an end here. This is a significant pullback in volume from yesterday. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So once again, it appears like yesterday wasn't a full-blown short squeeze, but definitely a gamma squeeze. Shorts covering either voluntarily or forcibly by getting squeezed out. So I'm very happy for everyone who made profits there. But ultimately, this was going to pull back. I did predict yesterday that this probably would pull back. So now we're getting that pullback, and it appears like there probably is a bit more pullback to go in the short term. So longer term, the stock still looks bullish. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, MACD, descending triangle, and gap down. We only have one bearish indicator in the gap up, although it is a powerful indicator. And we have two neutral indicators in the RSI and ascending channel. So technically, based on the charts, the stock still looks bullish. But personally, I think this is still due for some more pullback to fill the gap down at 18.5 cents. This is quickly losing momentum. So there likely is a bit more pullback to go here. Let's see. Twitter versus must start soon. I read in the news the case will start sometime in October. That is true. It will start in October, and it's going to be pretty fast. Like, it's only going to take a week. I think it's going to be a quick trial. All right. So, therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. Honestly, the current price of 21.3 cents is a pretty decent entry. Very average entry, according to the RSI. So you can't go too wrong here buying in, especially if you're willing to hold this for the long term. Again, this should eventually come back up to 57 cents to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 21.3 cents, that would be... What is with these sirens, dude? No sirens all show. And now we just get them every 5 minutes. Trying to mess me up here. 26. Let's go 65. 165. Can't even tell it's going the other way or what. No, it's definitely coming this way. Or not, I don't know. Let's just keep going. And from the current price of 21.3 cents, that would be over a 165% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the longer term. And again, this should come back down to 18.5 cents to fill the gap there. That would be about a 15% downside potential. So, not too much more downside potential to go here. Yes. The ambulance is driving in circles. That's what it seems like. No, I live by a hospital, so, you know, there are a lot of ambulances, but this is getting pretty ridiculous. Seems like that sometimes. So I would say going long at the current price, 21.3 cents would be a low risk, well, low to medium risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth the shot in my opinion. You really can't go too wrong here. And again, according to the RSI, the current price of 21.3 cents is right around fair market value. So I would have no problems with you guys going long at the current price. But honestly, if you're a bit patient, this should eventually, again, this should come back down to 18.5 cents to fill the gap there. And I think that would be an excellent entry. An even better entry than the current price. So from 18.5 cents up to 57 cents. Let's see. that would be over a 205% upside potential. So even more upside potential than at 21.3 cents. And it really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. There is some pretty critical support below 18.5 cents. Here we go. Here another one. So I would say going long at 18.5 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth it in my opinion. You really can't go too wrong. There as well. All right. I hear the siren. I just don't know where they're going. Sounds like it's coming up this way, but I don't know. Yeah, here it comes. I hear it now. At least this one isn't too loud. Oh, there it goes. Psst. This is crazy. It's like they know when the show is. Trying to mess up my show. All right. So I can't support going short. So I can't support going long at the current price, 21.3 cents. And if it pulls back, then you can average down at the supports that I mentioned before. Although personally, I would try to get this back at 18.5 cents. I think that would be an excellent entry. But whether you decide to go long here at the current price or wait for a better one, it should pay out pretty big in the longer term. You really can't go too wrong here. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. It's actually not such a bad play. It's actually not such a bad entry, according to the RSI. The current price of 21.3 cents is a very average entry on both sides. But you already missed massive downside already. From when this pulled back. From when this pulled back from the squeeze. You really should have went short anywhere from the 50 cent range down to the 30 cent range. Here at 21.30, it's not too late yet, but there isn't too much more downside to go. Again, eventually this should come back up to 57 cents to fill the gap there, which would be over a 165% upside potential. And again, this should pull back down to 18.5 cents to fill the gap there, which would be about a 15% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 21.3 cents, would be a very high risk, low to medium reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. A little too risky for my liking. That being said, you should be able to squeeze out the remaining downside potential here. The remaining downside potential here in the short term. It's just a bit risky. So if you want to go short, it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. But as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here. This should pull back down to 18.5 cents to fill the gap. And that should be some pretty decent tendies to the downside there. So I can support going short at the current price, 21.3 cents. Just be very careful. And again, I would cover at 18.5 cents, and that should be a relatively easy 15% downside gain. Okay. So in summary, in the very short term, this appears bearish, probably a bit more downside to go here. But in the longer term, it looks bullish. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, and good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AVCT, American Virtual Cloud Technologies. Okay. Cool. Sound serious this time? I don't know. It's just... There's always sirens. You know, there's Gotham City here. What up, Koya? What's up? How did AVCT get wrecked? It stayed the same, bro. Just came home, missed half the show. No, it went down 10% today. It got wrecked today for sure. It stayed the same from where? Maybe from a couple of days ago. But yeah, it got wrecked today, and it's probably going to get wrecked even more in the next few days. WTF is this market, man? Yeah, it is definitely not good. Very volatile. So it's good for trading. I've been doing pretty... Wow. BET came back up. It's definitely good for trading. I've been doing pretty good here myself lately. But yeah, for holding, for the bulls, it's not so good. But I appreciate you, dude. Alright, guys. So that's all the TA for today. Doing pretty good on time here. 5:30. So we don't have much left. There's only like 6 Yolos. Mostly memes. So we'll just finish up with a quick scan here. And we'll finish up with the Yolos. Yeah, I don't see anything popping. And let me check YouTube, see where we're at. And if you guys have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that before the end of the show. Alright, let me check YouTube and pull up the Yolos. 3 viewers, 11 likes, so... Alright, so most people are gone. So yeah, we'll just finish up with the Yolos here and get out of here. Slow show today, that's alright. Slow market day in general. Alright, we'll give this a minute to finish loading, but shouldn't take too long. Only about six left, and I guess Low Roller has a few for us here. This is Joe Biden's market. Yep, I did that. Brandon bailing the market. Yeah, so it seems like you guys agree. Yep. Joe Biden, I did that. What up, Finno? What's up? Haven't seen you in a while, dude. Welcome back. Appreciate you as always. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. What do you think about AVYA? I don't know. Let's check it out. Alright, so long term it looks bullish. You know, big cup and handle, and there's a gap down here at 17. But in the short term, see this filled the gap. This filled the gap at like $2 here. You know what? It does look bullish in the short term as well. But there may be some pullback because it's just filled the gap at 2. But RSI is at 54 right now, so pretty average there. According to the RSI, the current price of 181, right around fair market value. Yeah, right now it does look bullish short and long terms, but I don't expect a moon or a squeeze or anything. It should, slowly go up over time. And it's not the best entry right now. 180. This is right around fair market value. So a very average entry, but it should pay off in the longer term. I think $3 close pump and dump on October. $3 close. I mean, it's possible. I think 280 would be more realistic. 275-ish. Because that's a possible top of the cup. I think 275, 270, and then like $4. So it's definitely possible, but is there a reason why it would pump that hard in the short term? I sure hope so, dude. So there's nothing too crazy about the stock, but it does look bullish short and long terms, let's put it that way. But very average looking stock right now. Alright, looks like Low Roller has some stuff for us here. Very dropped hard today. Got in as an overreaction play. Volume looks positive. What is your opinion? I haven't seen it, but I know that I know that did go down quite a bit. Alright, so yeah, this one is definitely oversold here. Double gap down, huge gap downs. 23 RSI right now, so this is oversold and undervalued. Just be careful. It should bounce back at some point, but this is a falling knife right now. High risk, high reward. So the volume is positive. There's a lot of volume going to the downside, though. That's not a good thing. You want volume going to the upside. So this is high risk, high reward here. It should pay out. You should be able to make money if you hold, long enough. It should have somewhat of a bounce back. But just be aware, this is pretty dangerous as well. It could keep selling off. But it shouldn't dump, significantly like the past 2 days. If anything, it's going to be a slow bleed at this point. So it definitely is an excellent entry. But I'm not quite sure if it's the bottom. But you should be able to make money here, holding in the short term. Not financial advice. So good luck to you, dude. Yeah, high risk, high reward. But definitely good entry, and you shouldn't lose that much if you do lose. Yeah, it can't go too much lower. You're absolutely right. So good luck to you, dude. This may come back up to 2 in the short term. I don't know, unlikely, but there's some big gaps to fill now at 2 and 775. So, hopefully it comes back in the next few days. And if not, probably cutting the bag is the best idea. Should work out, though. Should work out. Excellent entry. But high risk, high reward. Good luck to you, dude. Alright, guys. So today should be fun. Nothing too serious. I myself have 6 Yolos. And looks like the roller has 4 for us. Mostly memes and some actual corn. But this shouldn't take too long. Let's do it, guys. So the first one is by Intelligent Hair 853. Keep up the bad work. So another Kramer meme here. Every single day it looks like we're clowning on Kramer. So 9 months ago, he said Nvidia could be a $10 trillion stock one day. And recently, yesterday, Jim Cramer explains why he's short Nvidia. It's a loser. So what do you want, dude? Keeps flip-flopping. So we called it a good stock. It sells off. And now he's short. So I guess buy calls. No, I'm totally kidding. If anything, buy stock. Not calls. But, yeah. So, he may be doing it on purpose. For all you know, probably not. But yeah, for all you guys though, Jim Cramer might be short everything he tells you guys to buy, and long everything he says is bad. So yeah, it says it's a $10 trillion stock, super bullish, sells off, now he's short. So buy high, sell low. That's the motto, right? But yeah, cloud on Jim Cramer. But shout out to Jim Cramer too. Gives us great content here. But yep, you guys know the joke. Inverse Jim Cramer generally works, and it would have worked here. All right, by Jerry Maguire Boy. Went to Wendy's for nuggets. Found this little surprise in my bag. Okay, so I haven't had Wendy's in a while, but I do love me some Wendy's. I do love the Wendy's nuggets. They have the best nuggets. But it's been a while since I got Wendy's. But yeah, there's a is that a Java application? That's a Java application. I hope they hit. Seems like they need a lot of help then, if it's that easy. But yeah, is it a hint from upstairs? Give that the laugh. Yep, a lot of apes need this right now. A lot of apes losing a bunch of money. So, the apes probably should apply for Wendy's. Probably is a signal, a sign from above. Can you do DTC tie? All right, let me finish up the Yolos here, then we'll get to that. This is by Plebeius Plutarch. I miss that guy. What a face. Still prominent in CNBC stock photos. So, yeah, it doesn't work anymore. This is the bullish indicator, Peter Tuchman, right? Where's my meme? Yeah! It always worked. Whenever we see this guy on the front page, bullish, it was a bullish indicator. A lot of green. But nowadays, it seems like his power is fading. He's not the god we once knew. So, we need him more now than ever. The man, the myth, the legend himself, Peter Tuchman. But yeah, it doesn't really work anymore. So maybe now he's a bearish indicator? I don't know. But yeah, so we definitely need his magic again to save us. We all miss this guy. We all miss the bullish times. Well, personally, I don't really care. But yes, the apes miss this guy. Alright, let's get into some Yolos now. This is by Liberty Shrub. I ain't effing leaving. Got the meme for you. I'm not effing leaving. Well, you sure about that? You sure about that, dude? You may want to. Let's check it out here. So we got GameStop and Bed Bath & Beyond. Just some shares there. Nothing too crazy. Although he is down 4K on his GameStop shares. Average cost $50. Dude. You still holding from last year? So yeah, down 4K on GME shares, but at least they're shares. I don't know if it's ever gonna get back there though. And yeah, here we got Bed Bath & Beyond Kohl's, 80 strike, January 20th. That was like a 20K YOLO, 18.5K YOLO, currently down 11.2K, 60%. And we got GME YOLOs here, $45 calls. Expires next month. 10K YOLO, 10.6K YOLO, down 4.1K, 38%. But he's actually up his GME calls here November 18th. So let me check out GME real quick. 27.5. Alright, so I think this is fairly obvious. Pretty bad play all around here. All of these options. Bed Bath & Beyond is not going to 80 by January. I don't know why you're still holding this dude. Just cut it before you lose more money. You still got 7.4K there. A lot of money, a lot of value. If you don't, you're going to lose all of that. I promise you that. GME 45. Highly unlikely. Already down 4K. Still got 6.6K there. A lot of money. Should probably cut that dude. If not, probably going to zero. And even GME 35. So you're up $1,000 right now. But will you be? by November 18th? Probably not. Probably not. It's out of the money. So, yeah, all around pretty terrible. Bad strikes, bad expirations, bad timing. Well, questionable timing. So down 15.4K, 14.4K. Yeah, you should just probably cut it, dude. You should probably cut it and just stay away from meme stocks and FD Yolos. So I know you're not going to leave. Typical Wall Street bet stuff here, but you probably should. You probably hit the sell button, dude, if you don't want to lose another, what is this, 20K here? You got 20K in value here. If you don't hit the sell button, you're going to lose it. So you should probably do that, dude. Or you can just burn 20K on FDs, which is probably what's going to happen. So Liberty Shrub, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss so far. Not really. Totally your fault. And you should probably sell, dude, before it goes to zero. But no matter what happens, please post updates, and good luck to you. Hope it works out. All right, by Robert Lemkin, 20. GME Op X position. Lambos or Wendy's, here I come. Yeah, I don't know why all the apes are loading up on GME lately. But yeah, bunch of GME FDs here. September 23rd, so this week, and then October 21st. So 27.5, 30, and 35 calls. So I'm not sure how much this is worth, but quite a bit. I guess we can do the math real quick. Yeah, this is a huge YOLO. This is probably over 100K. So yeah, huge YOLO here. So yeah, good luck. I mean, one of them is currently in the money. But yeah, you should probably not do this, guys. I don't care how rich you are. This is ridiculous. Bad. I mean, decent strikes. Actually, bad strikes. Bad expirations. Don't know about the timing. We'll see. But yeah, super FD here. I don't recommend this, but highly entertaining. Hope it works out. This, in fact, will be Lambos or Wendy's. So, good luck to you, dude, but probably I have a feeling you're going to lose a lot of money here. But yeah, epic YOLO. Good luck. Please post updates. Want to see how this goes. But yeah, epic YOLO and probably epic loss corn incoming. All right, by long jumping, Fig 176, small portfolio GME Op X YOLO. All right, so this guy's actually up a little bit of money here. So we got GME October 21st, 30, 35, 37.5, 38.75, and $40 calls. So it looks like he's up for, what is this? 1100, 1220, 1230, 1250. Yeah, he's up over $1,200 so far. Not bad for his small portfolio. So I don't know what's with this date, October 21st, but yeah, dude. Honestly speaking, you're up right now, and it's kind of unlikely these finish in the money by October 21st. I sure hope it does, though. But I've seen this over and over. You should probably cut it now while you're up. You know, cash in your $1,200. If not, you may in fact lose over 15K here. This is very risky. So take your $1,200 now, be happy or risk 15K? I don't know, dude. The answer is clear to me. So, but yeah, I already know he's not going to sell. This is ape stuff here, typical ape stuff. Diamond hands. So, we'll see how it goes. But yeah, to me, you should definitely hit the sell button. So, long jumping, Fig176. Thanks for hosting. Congrats on your gain so far. You're probably not going to sell, but you should probably hit the sell button, dude. Cash in now. Take your profits while you're up. Or you're probably going to lose 15K. So, yes. Thanks for hosting. Good luck to you. Hope it works out. And please post an update. I want to see how this goes. But hit the sell button, dude. I know you're not, but hit the sell button. Alright, so this is low roller stuff. What is this? Euros? I don't even know what this is. This has to be a glitch, right? Down 753,000%. Yeah, this seems like a glitch. I don't know what that is, but pretty funny glitch there. Interesting. Alright.
And it's gone.
Yeah, I don't know what this is in euros, but I don't even know what's going on. But yeah, epic glitch it seems like. Alright, what's this? 43K all-in calls across 2 accounts for JPOW to bless me tomorrow. GME, CAT, SPY, AMD, Revlon represent. FEO puts. I still have some puts to hedge though. Alright, so a whole bunch of plays here. So 43K. Super bullish tomorrow. So we're not going to go through all of them. But yeah, good luck to this guy. We'll see how it goes. Don't do this, guys. I don't care how rich you are. Don't YOLO 43K. Don't YOLO this amount of money on FDs. So what if it's bearish? There goes all your money. But yeah, great content. You know, epic YOLO. Hope it works out. Please post updates. Probably going to lose all this money, though. Alright, F and leaving. Let's go. How much did he make today? This ain't much. Good for him, though. Meta puts. Ford put. Riot put. Yeah, should have worked out pretty big today. Oh, but he sold them. He sold puts. So yeah, so small gains there. Small gains. Sold puts. So I like the selling of the puts. But probably, I don't know how much you made, but it's definitely not that much when you sell puts. But that's how you not ape. But good stuff here. Alright, what's this? So this is an update from the guy we just reviewed. So yeah, he was up before, right? Now he's probably down. But he's up a lot on SPY put, 420 put. So I guess he's on house money, actually. So I guess his GME YOLOs are not that bad if he's on house money. He's up 260K on his SPY 420 put. So I still think he's going to get wrecked on his GME calls. We'll see, though. But at least now he's on house money. So I can get behind it then. What's this? Never go full regard. Most painful experience in my life. Wow, he went all in. Looks like he went all in CEI. So he lost 140K. Absolutely disgusting.
And it's gone.
Yep. Never go full regard for sure. He actually lost 183K today. That's what it says. So yeah, blew up his account. Wow. On what? Must have been on FDs. I don't know how this is possible. Yeah, it must have been CEI FDs. So totally deserved. Totally deserved. But I don't know why people do this. So epic lost court in there. No one talks about ornamental Goonie futures. What is that? These are like squash decorations for Halloween. $3. Is that expensive? I really don't know. When you go to PA so you can play skill game? Not for a while, dude. And even if I did, I wouldn't play skill games. I'd play poker. Alright, guys. So that's all the Yolos for today. Good stuff. So, let's finish up here. Let's do one more scan. And we'll look at DTC for Koya. And we'll get out of here. Yeah, not really seeing anything on the scan. You can post PA skill game on YouTube since it's popular. Yeah, I probably just post poker, though. That's pretty popular on YouTube as well. I don't know, dude. I'll try it out, but, you know, not really too interested, to be honest. Yeah, we'll get to that, Koya. Got you. I'm just looking at a scan first before we... but not seeing anything. Alright, cool. So we'll do DTC and get out of here. So I said hour and a half to 2 hours. Looks like we are, in fact, finishing 2 hours. Alright, so DTC. So RSI is at 45. So pretty average there. Fair market value. Should be a little bit higher, according to the RSI. There's not too much going on. But it does appear bullish. MACD... well, the MACD is on the bullish side right now, but it may cross to the downside soon. So that's actually a neutral indicator. Don't really see gaps. All I really see is a cup and handle here. So in the short term, this may come back up to like $6. 6.5, 7.5 maybe. But this is, you know, pretty decent entry. Above average entry here. But it really shouldn't go lower than $4. That's some pretty critical support there. So, pretty average entry here. A little bit above average. But I don't think this will go lower than 4. And it may go to 6 as high as 750 in the short term. So, I would say, yeah, it does look bullish in the short and long terms, I would say. Not the greatest entry, but can't go too wrong here, I would say. Average entry, and it should pay off in the longer term. So hope that helps. Hope that answers your question, Koya. All right, guys. So that is the show for today. So you know, pretty good show. Pretty good show. Nothing too crazy. Very chill show. Not too much content, but you guys did chat quite a bit today. So thanks for that. So yeah, 2-hour show. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, my apologies for getting started late today. And my apologies for not getting out yesterday's video. So I will do that right now. Well, I'm going to make my short video, finish up editing the yesterday's video, and I'll work on today's video. But yeah, guys, appreciate everyone. I think most people are gone, so we'll just get out of here. Yeah, thank you guys. Catch you guys tomorrow, and please smash the like button on your way out. You're welcome, Koya. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Just want to keep honking now, right? You want to honk now when I get out. One more time. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.